Hi, good morning everybody. Today in this video we will discuss about the chapter the earth and the in the solar system, and it's a geography chapter. As we all know that it's our first chapter in geography, and so all of you have turned up to class 6th. So as you very well know that in this class 6th you have a subject social science. Okay, now let we take about a brief description about the subject social science before starting this video. Okay, in social science we will study three texts. First one is history, that the study of past and about ancient civilizations, kingdoms, centuries, about their culture and tradition. We will study in history. About geography, about world geography and Indian geography as well. And then we will discuss with the civics. In the civics we will discuss about the politics, we will discuss about the administration process, we will discuss about the judiciary system, about the constitutions, about the laws and the regulations of a country. Okay, now let's start with this video, the earth and the solar system. I hope, as I have discussed this chapter earlier to you in the other videos, and I hope you get everything clear. Now let's take a recap of the chapter before starting the question answers, so that you can be familiar with all this in your mind. Okay, now the earth and the other 9 planets, uh, including sun, complete makes up the solar system. Okay, complete makes up the solar system. Are you getting me? Yes, complete makes up the solar system. So the earth in the solar system. Okay, now as we all know that in the solar system is made up of the planets, the asteroid, the and the celestial bodies. Okay, now what is solar system? We can say that solar system is a system of planets. Solar system is a system that consists of 9 planets, asteroid and the celestial bodies. Okay, so now, and we all know that these planets are, so the earth and the all other planets revolves around the sun. Okay, now 4 planets revolves inside the inner circles or inner rings, and 5 are inner planets and 4 are outer planets. Okay, now we will discuss about the 9 planets first. Okay, and I have made a very shortcut also to remember all these planets. Now first we will discuss all the planets. First is Mercury, second is Venus, third is Earth, fourth is Mars, fifth is Jupiter, sixth is Saturn, seventh is Uranus, Neptune. Okay, now see, these are arranged in the sequence. Okay, so Mercury is the first planet, then Venus, then Earth, then Mars, then Jupiter, then Saturn, then Uranus, and then Neptune. Okay, now and let's take a shortcut of this video, of this format. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. Okay, my very efficient mother just served us nuts. From my, we will take M to remember Mercury. Okay, from very, we will remember V and we will frame Venus. Okay, from efficient, we will take E and frame Earth. And we will take from a mother, we will take M and it is called as Mars. Okay, and from just we will take Ju and we will frame Jupiter. Okay, served. We will take S and what S will be called? Saturn. Okay, and from us we will frame Uranus. Okay, and from nuts we will frame Neptune. Okay, so now this is a very simple trick and interesting trick. I hope you will remember this trick. I am repeating it again. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. Okay, now let's take a quick recap of these planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, repeat it again: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Good. So now let's start with the question answers now. Okay, now first question is, how does a planet different from a star? Now in this question we have to differentiate between star and a planet. Okay, star and a planet. As we all know that star shines in the night and the planet revolves around the sun. Okay, now, first point is, star emits a large amount of heat and light. Okay, as I told you, stars are shining bodies, so they emits large amount of heat and light. वो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी और रोशनी या प्रकाश निकालते हैं. Whereas planet do not have heat and light of their own. सो जो जो ये होते प्लैनेट्स होते हैं उनके पास खुद की ना तो गर्मी होती है और ना ही कोई प्रकाश होता है. ओके, सेकेंड, स्टार्स आर अनकाउंटेबल्स इन नेचर. एज वी ऑल नो डैट देर आर मिलियन ट्रिलियंस बिलियंस ऑफ जिलियंस ऑफ stars in the sky and we cannot count them, but we can count the planets, so we can say the planets are countables. Okay, because they revolves around the sun. Now stars, they are heavenly bodies. Okay, they are heavenly bodies, and whereas the planets are wanderers because they revolves around the sun. Planets are called wanderers because they revolves around the sun. Okay, now fourth point, they have their own light. I told you stars have their own light. Planet, they only reflect the light of sun because all the planets revolves around the sun. So the light and the heat that came from the sun, they emit that only. Okay, they reflect that only. Okay, now let's move to the second question. What is meant by the solar system? Okay, now in this you have to tell the definitions of the solar system. The sun, the planet and the satellites together with other minor bodies make up the solar system. With the sun as its head, we call it a solar family. Okay, now I'm repeating the definition again. The sun, the planet and the satellites together with other minor bodies. Here other minor bodies are the satellites, asteroids and celestial bodies. Okay, celestial bodies, satellites and asteroids are the minor bodies make up the solar system, and together the solar system is called the solar family because उनका हेड कौन होता है? उनका हेड सन होता है. बिकॉज ऑल द प्लैनेट्स, सैटेलाइट्स एंड celestial bodies and asteroids just revolves around the sun only in the solar system. Now question number 3, name all the planets according to their distance from the sun. Name all the planets according to their distance from the sun. Okay, now that trick we will remember. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. Yes, Mercury 58, Venus 108 kilometer. So always remember this distance is in kilometers. Mercury 58, Venus 108, the Earth 150, Mars 228, Jupiter 778, Saturn 1427, Uranus 2864, Neptune 4496. Okay, I am repeating again. You can note down: Mercury 58, Venus 108, Earth 150, Mars 228, Jupiter 778, Saturn 1427, Uranus 2869, Neptune 4496. Okay, now let's shift to the question number 4. Question number 4 is a important question, and tick it as important or mark it is as important. Why is the Earth called a unique planet? Okay, question is पृथ्वी सबसे अलग planet क्यों है? Okay, now the Earth is called the unique planet because favorable conditions to support life are found only on the earth. ओके, जो पृथ्वी पे जीवन मतलब जीवन चलाने के लिए जो उपयोगी कंडीशंस होती हैं, फेवरेबल कंडीशंस होती हैं, वो कहाँ पाई जाती हैं? वो सिर्फ अर्थ, प्लेनेट अर्थ पे ही मिलती हैं. ओके, लाइक लैंड, water, air, food exist here. Okay, it has water which is very necessary for our survival. Okay, it has water, यहाँ पे हमें पानी मिलता है जो कि जीवन जीने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. It has life giving oxygen. As we all know that human beings, plants and all other creatures require oxygen to survive. So they have oxygen here on this planet. Now fourth point, it is neither too cold or nor too hot. Okay, so we all know that the climate and the seasons on this planet earth keep on changing with the cycle, like sometimes summer season is there, sometimes spring season, sometimes autumn, sometimes winter season is there. Okay, so it has ozone layer which protect us from heavy harmful rays of the sun. Okay, now the earth has a ozone layer which protect us from the UV rays that came from the sun. Okay, now these are the 5 points. You can note down them. I'm taking a second here. Okay, now let's shift to question number 5. Why do we see only one side of moon always? Okay, now this is also an important question. Mark it important. Okay, tell me, why do we always see one side of moon? Okay, now suppose moon is like a coin, and if I paste a coin onto the wall, what do you see? Either you will see a head or a tail. In the same way, the moon is like a coin in the sky that shows only one side, and the another side of the moon is not visible to us. Why? We have to discuss it. Okay, now let's come to the answer. The moon revolves around the earth in about 27 days. Okay, the moon revolves around the earth in about 27 days. Okay, मून जो है वो पृथ्वी के चारों ओर 27 दिन में चक्कर लगाता है. सेकंड पॉइंट, इट एग्जैक्टली द सेम टाइम द रोटेट ऑन इट्स एक्सिस. और ये इतना ही समय कब लेता है? ये इतना ही समय अपने आप को अपने एक्सिस पे रोटेट करने के लिए भी लेता है. टू कंप्लीट टू द मूवमेंट द मून टेक्स द सेम टाइम. और एक मूवमेंट को कंप्लीट करने के लिए भी जो मून है वो इतना ही टाइम लेता है. ठीक है, नोट डाउन दीज 3 पॉइंट फर्स्ट. नाउ हियर इज द फोर्थ पॉइंट. This is the reason why we see only one side of the moon always, because the moon just keep on rotating around the earth in 27 days. Moon rotate on its axis in the same given time period, and the moon complete all the movements on the same time period. So that's why we see only one side of the moon. Okay, now let's come to the question number 6. What is a universe? Okay, what is a universe? The universe is the whole body of stars, planets and gases. The universe is the whole body of stars, planets and gases. Second, millions of galaxies makes the universe. millions of galaxies makes the universe. Millions of galaxies makes the universe. It is endless. और ये कभी समाप्त नहीं होता है. It is endless. ओके. It is a big open place. और ये क्या है? It is a big open place. Okay, now these are your ncert question answers, and now we will write some of the extra questions as well. Okay, now I am giving you, you will note down the extra questions as well. Which is the closest planet to the sun? Okay, I am repeating. Which is the closest planet to the sun? Second, which is the hottest planet in the solar system? Which is the hottest planet in the solar system? Third, why is the earth called the blue planet? Third, why is the earth called the blue planet? Okay, third question is why the earth called the blue planet in the solar system. Now next question is, which planet is the twin sister of earth? Which planet is the twin sister of earth? पृथ्वी की जुड़वा बहन किसे कहा जाता है? ओके, पृथ्वी की जुड़वा बहन किसे कहा जाता है? नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच इज द फारदेस्ट प्लैनेट ऑन द सोलर सिस्टम फ्रॉम द सन? विच प्लैनेट इज द फारदेस्ट फ्रॉम द सन? ओके, now these are the extra questions you will do. Now let me tell you something about the satellites, asteroids and the celestial bodies in the universe or in the solar system. Satellites are those satellites that are launched by NASA, ISRO, and every nation has their own organization that launch the satellite from their own respective fields to the universe. And always remember, जो satellites होती हैं वो planets के around revolve करती हैं. वो किसके around revolve करती हैं? Planets के around revolve करती हैं satellites. Okay, now asteroids are nothing but huge rocks. ओके, बहुत बड़े बड़े पत्थर होते हैं, ठीक है, जो यूनिवर्स में घूमते रहते हैं प्लैनेट्स के अराउंड. एस्ट्रॉइड्स आर द रॉक्स दैट रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द planets into the solar system. Okay, now this was all about your chapter. I hope you made it clear. Okay, now you all will do the question answers. Thank you.